Hi, my name is Jason Go-Lek-Jin and this is my video for the PRG4205E individual assignment. This video will examine the end-to-end ERP business process from the lens of Protect Gear SDN PhD, a Malaysian company that specializes in designing and manufacturing protective gear. As the company grows, it has replaced legacy systems and processes with ERP modules and processes to meet increased demand.
Hi, I am Mr. Kumar, CEO of Protect, and I will be guiding you through this section. To start, what is the forecast for Q2 of this year, Ms. Sophia?
Sure thing. We have detected a rising demand for safety helmets. Through a combination of historical data, market trends, and sales analytics, we estimate a total of 1,500 units of our SafeX08 model safety helmets will need to be produced to meet demand.
Awesome. Let's produce the required amount of that model and store them in our warehouse as MTS. Please inform the rest of Protect about my decision.
On it, sir.
Now, we move on to sales and operations planning, SOP. It consists of 3 steps that will be explained by our PU, Mr. Nathan.
Thank you, sir. Let's start with the sales plan. Using data from the forecast and accounting for other factors like ad campaigns and sponsorships, the sales plan outlines our target sales of 1,500 units for Q2 of this year and how to achieve it. Moving on, the production plan will then detail the process of manufacturing the units in their targeted amount. This involves ensuring the produced units are manufactured cheaply, efficiently, and timely. Lastly, the rough cut capacity plan will determine whether there is enough manpower, machinery, and raw materials to produce the required amount of units.
Speaking of capacity, I have received word that our work center is only capable of producing 400 SafeX units per month.
That will not be a problem. I will simply expand our labor pool and invest in more machinery to increase the monthly production rate.
What's that, Miss Sophia? Gamuda Berhad has placed an order for 300 units of our SafeX08 helmets. Excellent. Thank you, Miss Sophia. This makes a nice segue to the next step in the ERP process. Demand management is the process of forecasting, planning and managing customer demands for a business products and services. More importantly, it is the link between strategic planning and detailed planning. This process can be done manually or using previous planning results like SOPs and forecasts and typically results in a demand program. The demand program is generated from a combination of planned independent requirements, PIR, which refers to our Q2 forecast of selling 1500 units in this case, and customer independent requirements, CIR, referring to Gamuda Berhad's order of 300 units. They are then fed into MPSs and MRPs, which form the bedrock of the next major stage of the ERP process, detailed planning.
Created using Powtoon.